Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can create color splash effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to open your picture in your Photoshop workspace. Next thing you have to do is to go to the picture layer, right click on the layer. So when you right click on the layer, you have to come to the duplicate layer. So you can call this black and white. And then you hit on OK. So next step you have to take is to come to the Home tab right here and go to Image. From Image, go to Adjustment. From Adjustment, you have to go to Black and White. Then automatically your picture will turn to dramatically black and white. You can control the effect right here if you still have to adjust. So once you're done, then you click on OK. Now, having convert your picture to black and white, so the next thing you have to do is to go to your toolbar right here and make sure you look for quick selection tools. Choose quick selection tools. So once you choose quick selection tools, make sure the plus sign here is active. Then you have to come to the to the image here, and then you have to select some area that you would like to have the effect. So I need this particular area only to be covered up. So you have to adjust. Okay, so once you are satisfied with the selected area that you would like to have the effect, next thing you have to do is to come to the Home tab here and make sure you select and choose Select and Mask. Then it's going to pop up this window. So when you get to this place, the next thing you have to do is to make sure you increase the smoothness. So you can leave the smoothness to be 16%, and then you can add a little bit feather into it. Okay, once you are done, you have to come down below here and click on OK. So the next thing you have to do here is to come down below here and make sure you add layer mask. Having had a layer mask, so this is exactly what is going to pump up. Next thing you have to do is to come to the layer mask, click on the layer mask. So having selected your layer mask, then you have to come to the Home tab here, go back to your image, then go to Adjustment and look for Invert. Boom. So this is how you can create a kind of color splash effect to your picture or whatever things you are trying to do in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe for more tutorial like this in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.